CEO woes. Nearly 150 CEOs have stepped down in 2019. And you know what? I find it a little peculiar. So we have some Wednesday wisdom to do some digging into this juicy topic. Hi, Peter. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, Vazi. How are you?
All right, so let's talk CEOs. What did you find out? Why is this happening?
Okay, so coming off a decade-long expansion, companies that started and developed during this period find themselves needing new leadership to continue to grow. That came out of the Andrew Challenger, vice president of the firm. In the midst of the financial crisis in 2008 was the second highest year for CEO turnover, with 1,100 executives leaving, okay?
Okay.
Next. August this year was the highest month total of CEO exits on record, with 159 chiefs leaving. Primary reason for CEOs leaving is either stepping down and or retirement. Some CEOs go to a new company and a handful of them leave due to mergers and acquisitions. Okay, let's go. The most notable CEO leaving this year is who? Adam Newman, WeWork. Okay, there's a different story, right? Okay, technology sector announced the second highest number of CEO changes this year. Number is up 21% for the year in tech companies. Many government officials, including Elizabeth Warren, have called for the breakup of big tech. Regulatory uncertainty. So let's see what we got. So we've had an incredible year in the stock market. We've had a number of mergers and acquisitions. We've had some IPOs that have not been successful. So there are some reasons there. Regulatory issues, right, with the government tending to look on companies, sort of scrutiny on regulations and whatnot, maybe some of it. You know what? I think it's actually a fascinating topic. I'm glad you asked me to do it. Look, we also saw $135 billion come out of mutual funds, ETFs, and hedge funds, too. So let's look at the kind of year we've had. You've got, why are people liquidating accounts, selling stock and whatnot? We've got a market that's in record territory. Why do we have CEOs leaving their jobs? I think the most important thing that we just read was that companies reach levels of growth, expansion, new innovation and whatnot, and then basically people have outlived their utility within a company, right? And the speed at which things are going on, as we see markets go up thousands of points in any given day, as we see social media and headlines and tweets come into the marketplace, we probably are also seeing companies, the demand for new innovation, new growth, new ideas is obviously happening at a much more exaggerated, exponential pace. Therefore, somebody's shelf life within a company is probably limited.
Yeah, well, I'm curious to know if these CEOs are ousted by the boards, or if some of these CEOs are like, man, there's a lot of tumultuous times to come. I'm getting the heck out of here in my golden parachute while I can.
I think you probably see a little bit of both. It's an ever-changing landscape. This market is moving at incredible rates. Innovation is coming on pretty fast and furious. So I think it's probably a positive thing. I don't think it's a negative thing. Some people retire. Markets, why? As I said, with people liquidating hedge funds, mutual funds, ETFs, this has been the most tumultuous year ever, and yet the market's trading at record highs. So I think we really need to evaluate that, and there would be no reason, if I was somebody who had a lot of money in this marketplace, taking a little money off the table at this point, cashing out, going on vacation, heading to Phuket and sitting out on a beach somewhere in a payot with a Coco Loco seems like a really good idea.
And that's what I'm picturing. Some of these CEOs, they're playing a round of golf and they're like, you know what? I'm hitting the sunshine bomb. I'm out of here.
Out of here. Before something really bad happens, I'm hitting the road.
And I'm just seeing the golf cart just like go right into the distance.
The ocean. Oh, now I'm seeing it go. Some of them are going into the ocean, some are in the distance.